Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're embarking on a journey to transform your home into a tranquil oasis of leafy green companions. Just as we find joy in decluttering our homes and keeping things tidy, we can also find immense joy in nurturing plants and creating a harmonious living space with nature. If you've always longed for a lush indoor garden but felt intimidated by the thought of caring for delicate blooms, I assure you, this journey is for you. We'll be exploring the world of easy care houseplants, those resilient and forgiving souls who thrive on simple acts of kindness and bring a breath of fresh air into our homes. Whether you're a complete beginner or simply looking to add a touch of green to your surroundings, I invite you to join me as we discover the magic of indoor gardening, one leafy friend at a time. Our first plant friend is the ever-so-charming pothos, also known as the devil's ivy. Don't let the name intimidate you. This plant is anything but devilish. Known for its gentle, cascading vines and heart-shaped leaves, it brings elegance to any home. Imagine draping these emerald beauties from bookshelves, letting their vines trail down like waterfalls, or perched atop a windowsill, basking in sunlight. Pothos thrive in various lighting conditions and are very forgiving. They tolerate occasional forgetfulness in watering, easily propagated, just snip a stem and place it in water. With vibrant foliage and low-maintenance nature, pothos are perfect for adding tranquility to your home. Our next companion on this journey is the stoic and resilient snake plant, also known as sansevieria, or more playfully, as mother-in-law's tongue. Now, while we encourage harmonious relationships with all, especially mothers-in-law, this plant teaches us that even in the face of adversity, strength and beauty can prevail. Snake plants are admired for their striking architectural form, their upright sword-like leaves reaching towards the heavens like verdant sentinels. Their foliage often features intricate patterns and variegations, resembling works of art sculpted by nature itself. But what truly sets snake plants apart is their almost indestructible nature. They can tolerate low light conditions, making them ideal for those forgotten corners of our homes that seldom see the sun. They are also incredibly drought tolerant, perfectly content with infrequent watering. Think of those times you might be away from home, tending to life's adventures. Snake plants understand. They won't hold a grudge if you forget to water them for a week or even two. They are perfectly content in their own resilience, reminding us that sometimes, less is more. To care for your snake plant, allow the soil to dry out completely between waterings. When you do water, ensure it's a thorough soak, allowing the excess water to drain away. Avoid getting the leaves wet, as this can lead to rot. Snake plants are a testament to the fact that beauty can be found even in the most unexpected places. They teach us resilience, adaptability, and the art of embracing simplicity. Our final companion on this introductory journey is the epitome of understated elegance. The ZZ plant, scientifically known as Zamioculcas zamifolia. Now, while its name might be a mouthful, this plant's care requirements are anything but. ZZ plants are admired for their glossy dark green leaves that resemble polished stones, adding a touch of sophistication to any setting. They have an upright architectural growth habit, making them perfect for minimalist interiors or those seeking a touch of understated greenery. But what truly makes ZZ plants a beginner's dream is their ability to thrive on neglect. Yes, you read that right. These plants are masters of minimalism, requiring minimal water, minimal light, and minimal fuss. They are incredibly drought tolerant, storing water in their rhizomes, which are underground stems, and can go for weeks, even months, without a drink. They tolerate low light conditions with grace, making them ideal for apartments or rooms with limited natural light. To care for your ZZ plant, allow the soil to dry out completely between waterings. When you do water, water deeply, ensuring the entire root ball is moistened. Be careful not to overwater, as soggy soil can lead to root rot. ZZ plants are a testament to the fact that sometimes the most beautiful things in life are also the simplest. They teach us patience, resilience, and the art of appreciating the beauty of understated elegance. Thank you for joining me on this introductory journey into the world of easy care houseplants. Remember, creating a green oasis in your home doesn't have to be complicated. Just like tidying, it's about surrounding yourself with things that spark joy and bring you a sense of peace. I encourage you to start small, choose plants that resonate with you, and remember that even the most experienced plant parent started somewhere. Embrace the journey, learn from your plants, and most importantly, have fun. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips on creating a harmonious and joyful home filled with the life-affirming energy of plants. Happy planting!